Travel smartly and full of excellent reading. For perfect stays and to enrich the travel experience using the loyalty program is Elegant Lifestyle. World of Hyatt program is a lifestyle choice for staying and accommodations worldwide. Starting the journey with World of Hyatt program from member level towards the Discoverist level by achieving at least 10 nights or 25,000 base points to attain and maintain this level status. With all conditions, changes and policies. This level in World of Hyatt offers a wonderful collection of benefits, and the following are the mains. Free night award by staying at 5 different Hyatt hotels and resorts. 10% bonus points. Daily bottled water. Priority in late checkout up to 2 p.m. Our reading from the literature via the digital channels of World of Hyatt program. Be a lifelong friend for the channel. This is Shadi. To the next XP, have a wonderful day.